And we have some breaking inputs coming in. 11 CPM workers have now been arrested for vandalizing and looting a temple in Palakkad in Kerala. The BJP is now coming out and alleging the role of SDPI in the attack on temple. Listen into this reaction coming in.
After the results of the local body elections, the CPIM has won this panchayat, and Bharatiya Janata Party got one seat in this panchayat and came second in 7 seats. Due to the winning of this one seat and coming second in 7 seats, where there is a likelihood of the Bharatiya Janata Party coming into power in the next panchayat elections, the CPIM has gone all out and conniving with the extremist organizations with SDPI. They have attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party workers there. They have attacked a temple. They have ransacked a temple. They have taken articles from this place of worship and looted that place. And even they have even carried away the hundi, that is the box where the offerings, where the money is deposited by the public. And the attitude of the CPIM is, we can only compare it with a terrorist organization, and they have joined hands with SDPI, and it is learned that 11 people have been remanded, and out of which 4 belong to SDPI, which is a terrorist organization, which it is learned that they have connections with foreign countries, our enemies, and CPIM has joined hands with them, which is the most undemocratic. It cannot be believed that CPIM can join hands with such organizations. Bharatiya Janata Party condemns this attitude of the CPIM and calls for stringent action against the accused.
Due to their involvement in corruption cases and scandals, the party is trying to divert the attention and taking the resort of violence. Earlier, there has been violence against the RSS BJP workers, but in a short span, there was a kind of agreement between the two not to go for violence. Now the CPM workers, in collusion with these jihadi elements, are attacking BJP and RSS. This is a sign of erosion of democracy in Kerala, and Pinarayi Vijayan, who is a part of the scandal and who is alleged to be supporting those people who are involved in the corruption cases, is now trying to sabotage the parliamentary democracy and democratic processes.
Joining me on the phone line is my colleague Ashwin. Now, Ashwin, these are serious allegations by the BJP after 11 CPM workers were arrested for vandalizing and looting a temple in Palakkad in Kerala. Now, the BJP is also alleging the role of SDPI in the attack.
Absolutely, Richa. Republic is the first channel to tell this particular angle. When we spoke to the president of the BJP in the district of Palakkad, he revealed this to me, and it was important that this angle should be known to our viewers. 11 of the 11 people who have been taken into custody, 4 of them belong to SDPI. This is what the statement of the BJP president of Palakkad is. Now, this turns the whole dimension of this whole case. It makes it a communal incident itself. We have got reports that stones were hurled at this Subramanian temple in Palakkad at the night when this incident occurred. And not only that, even at the neighborhood, there were people who are supporters of the BJP. Their house also was attacked and stones were hurled, it has been reported, and also some of the supporters of the BJP have been attacked. Now, this is a serious concern, especially a holy place like a temple has been attacked, which is absolutely apolitical. And the involvement of SDPI and the partnership with the CPIM, as per the BJP spokesman said, it is very, very concerning. It changes the dimension of this whole allegation. It needs to be probed to the most extent, to the deepest level this probe must be done, Richa. So that is what the BJP is asking for, and the most shocking thing is there has been not a word of condemnation by the state government so far.
All right, thank you so much, Ashwin, for getting us that update. In fact, the BJP leaders are now alleging that the vandalism is being targeted at the BJP party after it made big inroads into the recent Kerala local body elections as well.